Okay. Okay. And we off. We off to the races, ladies and gentlemen. Off to the races, ladies and gentlemen. I have a couple levels I'm watching today. Couple levels. There's the dumper. The opening drive.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, K. J Bulls. Another day on the charts. Yes, sir.
Another day on the charts, my friend.
Same shit, different day.
Yep. Nice little gap up on PayPal there, Mr. Lawrence. Good call on that. I am watching this RTY coming into 2,500 here at the open. I will probably attempt this if we can get a hold here somewhere around here. Okay, it's going fast too. Let's see. Can we get one more little push into 2,500? Overshoot it, maybe. Here it comes. Get some sort of signal here. I really like 2,500 today on RTY for a pullback trade.
It's a trade. It's a trade that's a sleeper that I took.
What?
TTD, bro.
Order filled.
Let's see if I can get this here. I want to stop at 98. $97.9. $300. Let's see. See if this bounces. Let's see if we get no fucking continuation here. That'd be nice. So I don't want to do more than one contract on this. But this is my idea. I want to play this into 25.20. So basically what I was watching here on this daily chart. 2,500 has been key level. Still pretty bullish overall. Hourly. Look at all these bottoms here, Lawrence. All these tails.
That is a lot of wicks.
Yeah. A lot of wicks. I like that. So that's why I was like, if we can get a pullback here at the open and into 2,500, also VWAP confluence, I was like, this might be a really good area to try the long because there's just so many bottoming patterns that look like I want to hold and take us higher through the 20s. So see if I can I want to add to this. Actually, this is looking really good now. I like this a lot. I'm going to add one more.
Order filled.
Okay. Why not? Looking really good. Really, really good here. I do have $700 of risk, but let's see if she follows through.
Why don't you move your stop up?
530. Yeah, but it's right at 2,500.
Saying, because it looks like a good push, but it's like what's the chances of it coming all the way back down, turning around, and then going all the way back up?
RTY pretty high. RTY is pretty erratic. So
okay,
that's why I want to leave it the breathing room. This thing just fucking. This thing can be tricky. It can be really, really tricky.
Tricky.
It can be pretty tricky. The 2,500 bounce. Give us a hold. Push back through here. That would be lovely. Flip this green. Flipper green. You dirty little skank, RTY.
Damn.
It's like all the tails, man. Like all the bottoming tails. See if she can hold. If not, whatever. I got a haircut this morning pretty early, so I can't even be on stream too long.
Me
Futures,
neither. I got to get ready for the trip tomorrow.
Yeah, Futures just been dog shit, dude. So I'm like, I don't really care. Honestly, don't really care too much. The swings are swinging and paying, and that's all I can really ask for right now. Yeah, this thing, it looks like it's about to cook me. Let's see. We'll see. I think what I don't like on RTY is this pin you have at the open here that barely overshoots price and then fucking pulls back so hard. Let's see. Yeah, so you got a pack. What time you get in? What, 10 tomorrow?
I think like 1 p.m. or something.
1 p.m. Okay.
I think so.
Okay. Bad. Not too bad. Did Austin tell you he's not going to be there till like 10 tomorrow night or some shit?
Yeah, he told me to pick him up some stuff.
Yeah. Some stuff. Yeah. Pick him up some stuff.
A package, a nice little package.
A nice little care package, dude.
Yeah, nice little care package, exactly.
Quite the care package, dude. That's funny.
Literally.
That's pretty fucking funny. Yeah, this ain't looking too hot. Once it pulls back, holds this, pushes back higher. Maybe not.
He's like, who cares?
Yeah, I don't give a fuck. I really just don't care about futures right now, to be honest. Oscar's along the Qs. Q failing, prior day high, all-time high hard. Yeah, prior day high and all-time high. Okay. Let's get a divergence too. Let's look at this RTY rip, Q's dump. Let's do something like that. That'd be cool. Oh, this RTY is looking a little teeny bit better. If we can get through 2504.
Yeah. I mean, that looks good, honestly, because
It's
it should have
looking a
taken
little
that
bit
week if it was
better.
going to do it.
Yeah, like look at this. Look at this. This isn't VWAP right here. This is the fucking 2-minute like messed up VWAP, but teeny bit better. It needs to fucking keep pushing though. It's not really getting a lot of follow through. It's the problem. The grand old problem here. There we go. A little bit better. Liking it a bit more now. Flipping green on the 5. Nice, dude. This looks a lot better. I kind of want to add. Do I need? I don't need to add actually. Do I need to add? Maybe I can add. Kind of like it. We'll see. Let's see if we get past 2508. That's the big one. Let's get past 2508, and then maybe we can negotiate a little bit more.
Maybe we can talk.
Then we can talk. Then we can talk once we get up there. You got to prove my trust a little bit more. Prove my trust a little bit more. And now you're forming this 5-minute bar. It's not building my trust, dude. It doesn't look good. It doesn't look good. Look at that rejection. Right at my entry. No longs a QQQ below prior day high. Yeah. Definitely could fail. Definitely could. It could. Will it? I don't know.
Will it though? That's the question.
Oh, they hold in this. Look at this 2-minute engulfing. Engulf this wick and take us to the races. I'll add one more and I'll bring my stop up. I'm adding.
Order filled.
Let's go. Take us to the moon. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go.
Me being a little hesitant on that stop loss.
Well, I can't really. I only have $1,000, so I was like, "Where do I move it?" I was like, "I only have whatever to work with." So you're supposed to engulf this and go. Come on, RTY. Don't be a bitch. Stop being so rude.
Why you gotta be so
rude? Might just be a one and done the other way today. Let's see. What's cool is VWAP now is sitting right at 2,500. So maybe if this does pull back and sweep one more time, it holds my stop and then goes. I don't know. Let's see.
with the homies.
With the homies, bruh.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like this is such a good pullback zone. I just like, can they just not do me dirty for once? It'd be really nice. Look how many tails you have here, dude. Look at this support. Look at the immense amount of support. If I was to draw a box right here.
Yeah.
And this is retesting the structure high here of this, the pullback at the open. I'm like, it looks very decent to me. But who knows? I apparently don't know anything anymore about futures.
I don't know shit about fuck.
I don't know shit about fuck, I guess. Apparently so. Here's the rejection of prior day high on the Qs. Hopefully get a divergence on RTY. And RTY says, I don't care. Hold my beer. We're going for the moon. Drew, good morning. Man, this thing is teasing and trying me so hard. Give me a 5-minute bar closure here above this one, and I'll be happy. And I will be happy, my friend. I'll be so, so happy if we can do it. Let's see. She's mad you called her a little skank.
She's not my type of girl, then. She should be happy.
Oh, Luke. Thank God T is gone. No, he's probably lurking in the background, dude. I was honestly just getting ready to block him somehow at some point. It's just being annoying. I'm like, all right, dude. Like, I get it. You're salty at something in life. But I didn't do anything to you, man. Like, come on. Why do you got to come up in here? Why do you got to come up into my house with all that attitude?
Mm-hmm.
Yo, chat, what's the best current deal for a futures prop under $120 for 50K? I don't think Top One has the Ignite accounts going right now, but that was a really good deal. I don't know, man. Oscar, I don't like Apex, bro. Too many fucking rules, bro. Way too many rules. And like, I've just seen so many people get denied payouts over like the stupidest little things. But obviously, it's the leverage. You know, you pay for leverage, right? It's if you want strict rules.
Apex is scammy, dog. If anybody going to say it, I'm going to say it. Everything is scammy. Apex is scammy. The website, everything about it. The website is scammy as fuck.
Yeah. Yeah.
The rules, scammy as fuck. Payouts, being denied, scammy as fuck. Yeah. Like, don't get it twisted. There is going to come one day where I'm going to get those 20 accounts.
I know for sure.
It's going to happen. Like, I'm going to do it. Like, this is going to happen.
100%.
This is part of the prop trader milestone, right? To take
it is. It's a big accounts. One. It's a big one. It is a big one. I definitely.
Is that on your checklist? Is that on your bucket?
Yeah, list? It is. It is. I definitely want to do that at some point. I absolutely want to do that at some point. 100%,
so
bro. 1000%.
just like that dude, what's his name? Trades by Matt. Bro, that guy is literally like, if you think of an Apex trader, that's who it is, man. Cheap little trades, like cheap trades, base hits, going about his day.
Yep, agreed, bro.
You got a question?
Absolutely. Let's see. How about Lucid? Honest review, Tanner. Honestly, I fuck with Lucid. Yeah, Lucid's great. Like the rules are like pretty much exactly the same as top one, and I just think they're a teeny bit more expensive. They have a little bit more drawdown. That's actually a plus for Lucid. They have more drawdown on the accounts. I think it's like 6K still for the 150Ks versus top one. It's just 4,500. So that is definitely a plus with Lucid. I fuck with them. I've taken. I'll literally show you guys. I have blown probably. Well, I buy accounts. I buy like batches of accounts at a time. So I'll buy like 5 accounts at a time. So I'm on batch like number 4. So I've blown fucking 4 batches of them, but I've taken $18,000 in payouts like in less than a month. So they are legit for sure. They go, they work. Oh my gosh, look at this. See what happens when you just don't care about trading? It just works.
Yeah, no, honestly, not for real. But that's the thing, like for real.
For real. I want
like once you stop caring about trading, it works.
Yeah. I want like around here 17s. Let's see if this goes. See if we can get it. I have a level at 2520. So I wouldn't be surprised for this to overshoot and take us to the moon. Look at this 30-minute bar now, right? So this thesis was good. It was definitely aggressive here at the open, kind of trying to get involved in this, but I don't know. Something about this guy is like my eyes. You probably feel this, Lawrence. Like eventually your eyes, and people in the chat, you can comment on this. When you start seeing like a support zone so well, I wish I knew better tools on this. Where's like a box? How do I draw a box on this?
Go to the paintbrush, and then click on the arrow, and then go to the bottom rectangle.
Okay, I like it. So you see all this, like look at how much support there is down here. You got this is obviously from yesterday, 2 days ago or whatever. But boom, 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 and I love these little teeny subtle overshoots here. So it's like this, right? Like, look at this. This is so much support. This is telling me that buyers want this and they want to stay involved. So when we're halfway through the range, back up it, and we get this big pullback towards the open into 2,500, big key level, which is like psychological level and all that type of stuff. That was my thesis today. I was like, I like this. Like, this could work really well. I think I even wrote this in the I literally wrote that in the game plan today. I said, other than NQ, I like RTY today, and I'll be watching 2,500 for a pullback. RTY, if we can get a pullback to 2,500 that holds, then I'll look for longs into 2,520. That's literally what I wrote in the game plan. So if this works out, hopefully, hopefully this will pan out. So how much is a batch of accounts? It depends what deal you got. I got some good deals on some of them. I think at one point they're usually around like $500 an account. So I mean, it's like fucking, you can save around 2,500. I probably have spent like probably 7 to 8K, probably like 7K total, but I've pulled out 18K. That's the thing. A lot of people like, I'm just transparent about that shit. Like sometimes if you're these are side accounts, kind of side questing, more aggressive, it takes money to make money sometimes on that shit.
And everybody has a YOLO account.
Yeah, exactly. So, so pretty much that's like, yeah, that's what it's cost me so far on them. But so far, let's see. Can I just switch tabs easily? I think I can. Yep. See here, look at this. September 14th took 12K. Yesterday I took another 6K. And then I have a few more that are kind of ready to go, which is cool. So like I think they need a few $1,000s more. So I'm looking to take hopefully another like 10K this month in October, which would be cool. So we'll see if that works. But so far, Lucid's good. I got nothing bad to say about them. That's it. Quite the pullback here. Quite the pullback here. Let's see if this sweep, ugly 2-minute sweep and reject, dude. I really don't like that. See what happens. Really dislike it, but Let's see what the trading gods do for me. Bro, Leaps on UNH is cooking up 40%. Is UNH up? Let's look. Let's go over some Leap stuff. UNH still around its same thing. What, 359? That shit needs to fucking break out, dude. But yeah, they're doing a little bit better. It's good. Even though UNH is now at low a day. You jinxed it, Derek. I'm just kidding. How's PayPal? PayPal's at 75. We just entered this yesterday. PayPal swing. PayPal looks good, bro. Looks very
good. We calling out these plays on our Discord too.
I know, yeah, we are.
Like as we enter. Like, let me see.
Yeah, I'll show you guys. I'll give you guys a little tease of.
Yeah, that's what I was just about to do. Go ahead.
Yeah, I'll pull it up. So we do have this section in the Discord called Leaps of Faith. And just like going over charts of certain setups for leaps. All this isn't financial advice. You know, pick your own poison on this. But Lawrence and I are kind of getting really into the leaps. Just further dated expiration. Some people, I don't even know if you call some of these leaps, but
yeah, those some of them are swings. The only leap is TTD.
Yeah, exactly. They're not. Some of them aren't more than a year out, but like we got some square block, right? That's what that is. TTD. Lawrence is in. P&G ones he's looking at. PayPal is the one yesterday. Just got in PayPal, and I was like, I like this one too, so I got it as well. Up 45% on your TTD, and then here that was a lovely message to see up 5% on the PayPal in the pre-market. So that's pretty cool.
Mm-hmm.
So if you guys are interested in the Discord, come check it out. We're doing some good cooking in there, definitely.
I'm going to actually update it because my block, I was up last time I updated. I was up 16%. I'm up 25% now.
There we go. So the updates.
And another thing is like we talked about it. It's kind of like when you're up 25% in like a week and a half, that's fucking good, bro. Like,
yeah.
Like that's good. Like, you know.
Yep.
People can't get 25% in real estate investing in a year. 11% return in real estate per year is good.
Yeah.
Like really good.
Absolutely. PayPal's breaking 75 here. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. PayPal has some decent volume too. I wonder what's going on with it. I think there's some shit up with it, bro. I think there's some shit going on with it.
I'm a hold.
Oh, I'm holding heavily. I'm holding to 100, bro.
I want to fuck around and find out.
Dude, I'm already up 50% on these fucking this play.
How much are you up?
From PayPal, the $100 calls, I'm up 48%. $2,000.
Damn.
Let's go. Let's fucking go. That was a good one yesterday. I mean, it was cool. Me and you were scheming that over the weekend. We're like, I like PayPal.
Mm-hmm.
That was a good one. Let's go. Fucking PayPal. Holy shit. How we doing, chat? What's going on? How we doing, chat? What is going on? Chilling hard right now. I'm just watching this position, see if it's going to murk me or make you some money. Right? What's going to happen? I don't know. We'll find out. We shall find out. Jay's flat. Lovely. So RTY is looking a lot better. Anyone who's watching, I know Drew is kind of watching this. It's just pull back to IWM VWAP. It's holding. Definitely going to be a troublesome to get through this area. So this would be kind of risky, but it's not terrible. Holding 2,500, holding above RTY VWAP, holding IWM VWAP, which is right here. Needs continuation here, though. Need to come and fill this wick and head for the races.
Bro, we have not broken out of this range.
It's insane. Maples got qualified for his first payout. Let's go.
Nice.
Congratulations. Fantastic work. It's a great feeling. Great job, Maples.
Did you know that 0.2% of traders make it to live?
Make it to live?
0.2%.
Damn. I'm a statistic. So
yeah, for sure. And what was I gonna say? As far as the payout, I think like 5%.
Yeah, around there. Drew, stay objective with this, bro. That's all I'm saying. Stay objective. It's like you're always gonna have a risk involved somewhere, but stay objective. Take that what you do. Long's looking better. Rhino pill time. Yeah, give us the rhino pills, right, bro? Yeah, Drew, I'm not telling you to rush into this by any means. I totally understand. Like, it's RTY. We both know RTY can have some fuckery, but it depends where your risk is. There's always risk involved. Always risk involved, my friend. What's the R multiple? What's the risk reward? Right. I'm risking 7 points on this to make, I think actually, what is my risking? To make 12. So like what, 1.5, almost 2. Something like that. We'll see. We shall see. YM. Ooh, YM in the VWAP. Check that one out. Let's look at this. This one ain't too bad. This needs to get through this, though. This is tricky. This is actually closed below VWAP. It's interesting. Oh, man. Ugly rejection here on the Qs. Looks like it wants to lose prior day high. Yeah, this is probably going to cook me on RTY. This looks pretty ugly now. All this rejection here at 2508. Qs wanting to take out prior day high. SPY rejecting prior day high. Oh, yeah. This thing looks pretty toasty McGee now. Look at this. Look at this fucking 5-minute engulfing candle. This looks fucking horrid.
Bro said toasty McGee.
This looks pretty horrid now, dude. Dude, you know what's funny, Max? All those payouts I've taken with Lucid have all been trading Asia. Literally. I know New York has been. We are going through. You know, it's a season. You know, we just talked. Lawrence and I just talked about this. You're right. New York's been fucking dog shit, dude. Terrible action. Terrible action trading New York. This looks so bad. But I'm really just detached from any of it. And I just kind of don't care, to be honest. That's the most bearish fucking bar I've ever seen.
In my life.
In my life, dude. Look at that bearish engulfing bar with the pin. Oh, it's awful. So bad. Can't look worse than that, to be honest.
We cannot look any worse than that.
It's really bad. But whatever. Let it take me out so I can just go on with my day. I'm over it. Ooh, near-term volume point of control just shifted. I like that. Literally to 2501. That's crazy. Okay. Interesting. Interessante. Wow. Sweep it, hold it. Sweep it, hold it. Look at this bar. This is like, I'm so beyond fucked, basically.
That shit, damn, that shit is not stopping.
It's not. Oh,
Oh my God.
Look at that, dude.
Yeah.
Right in
Here comes the
25.
sweep. Here comes the sweep and hold.
Here comes the sweep and hold, bro. Here comes the sweep and hold.
And hold.
Here's the
That
sweep and hold.
you did call that shit earlier.
I literally was like, dude, that's why I'm putting it down here and keeping it down here just in case. Now this, look at this. Sweep and hold. Sweep and hold. They were waiting. They were waiting. Do they follow it through? On your Asia trades, you're holding trades in New York Open. Fuck no. Honestly, I'm going heavily aggressive and taking like super fast scalps. I'm taking like fucking 8 NQ contracts and taking 7 points and getting out really quick. I'm just good at identifying like the edge points, right? So it's like, that's the thing is I've been trying to hold bigger trades, obviously here trading New York with you guys. So it's like, they're not, so it's like, I have to sit through all this, but if I'm trading Asia and I scalp, you know, I see this overshoot here and I scalp it like down to like the bottom of this candle. It's like, I'm in and I'm out like really, really fast. So. All right. Well, my day is about to be fucking over pretty much. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Cooked it.
Damn, bro. I was hoping SoFi made it down to like $20 or something.
Take me out.
UPS don't look like a bad play either.
That's it, guys.
I mean, there's nothing going on.
Yeah, I mean, I just like don't like literally trading futures right now is just fucking awful. I'm just so over it, honestly. I just come on stream and talk about fucking leaps the whole time and not even show my screen anymore. I'm just over it. I'm just so over it. Ugh. Well, you can throw yourself up, Lawrence, if you're gonna find a trade because I'm max lost. I'm done.
I mean, we haven't even broken out of the opening range, and we're nowhere near it. Like we're dead middle. We're in dead center of the opening range. Just, I mean, I could put myself up here. Hold on.
Go for it.
Yeah, like we're dead center in the opening range.
Mm-hmm. RTY is such a bitch, dude.
I don't know why you traded it.
It's okay. Sometimes it's good. Sometimes she treats me right.
End of the year type shit.
Mm-hmm. 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 Mm-hmm.
Yeah, right now. Yeah. Like, there's nothing. Like, do you see this? Like, look at my chart.
Yeah, I know. I'm watching.
Look at this. What am I supposed to do with this? Nothing.
I'm watching you.
Nathaniel. Nathan. TTD is low key going crazy, bro. Like I'm up like 50%, almost 60%.
Yeah. Futures, man. They used to be so fun and cool to trade. They used to be so fun and cool to trade. Dude got VWAP here for NQ. I wouldn't be surprised to see this like potentially hold around this area zone.
There's nothing for it, man. We just back and forth supporting. Was it supply? Was it supporting resistance? That's what it's called.
Support and resistance, supply and demand.
That's how you know I'm. That's how you know I'm a vet trader, bro. When you just forget the name, like support.
Yeah.
What is it called again?
What's it called?
Shit doesn't fucking matter.
What is this shit called? RTY selling. PayPal top of the leaderboard. So you're not. We're not going to be on stream tomorrow, right?
I don't. There's no way I can be.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, my flight's in the morning. I think I got to be at the airport by like. I mean, I guess potentially I could be because I think I got to be at the airport at 8 to be there by 8. But I might. But let me see. Let me see. I'm sorry. 'Cause I really don't know, bro. Like I have reminders everywhere because I live life, dog. Like like I don't know anything. Okay, so my flight leaves at 10:15, and I get to
Okay.
LA. I get to LA at 4. But does that include the time difference?
Does it? I don't know. You tell me. I thought you said you landed at like 10 in the morning or some shit.
Okay, here we go. So I board at 9:30. Doors close at 10, and then I arrive in LA at 1 p.m.
Okay, nice.
Yeah.
Nice. 1 p.m. Okay.
Don't none of you creepers try to meet me at the gate either now until my fucking.
Sorry, Jay. Yeah, tomorrow. Might be trading solo tomorrow, my friend. You might be. I might be.
There's nothing going on. Is anybody in a trade? Anybody trading this range?
RTY just swept into that zone, and it has a really nice fucking 2-minute engulfing bar. I wonder if it holds true. Wonder if it's gonna hold true. Dude, this is. I wonder what it was like trading 1999. Oscar
It was
Rancher
like trading in 1999.
Yeah,
When
well,
everybody
remember
is just like yelling and screaming.
Well, there was a year. I'm pretty sure it was 99 where like the Nasdaq doubled in like 1 year, and then we had the .com boom, and it was like just insane euphoria where everyone's making all this money, and then we pulled back heavy for like 3 years.
Yeah,
some shit, crazy shit, bro. Like just ridiculous amount of pullback. I mean, I guess it totally makes sense because it's rate cuts, right? It's like that's what everyone's been waiting for, and so that's what stocks do, like quantitative easing, right? Stocks go up, markets go up when there's rate cuts. That is what is supposed to happen.
It's true. It's very true. Jeez, MicroStrategy is down $14.
Yeah, dude, that thing has fucking crazy swings, bro.
Yeah, it's wild. It's actually very wild. Let me see how much I'm down on my runner.
That thing is fucking crazy.
My runner is actually holding pretty well considering this dip.
That's good.
Wow, that's pretty good.
That's awesome.
But PayPal, good God.
Pay Pizzle.
And I literally caught TTD at the bottom.
I know that was crazy. That was a crazy call, bro.
Yeah, I literally caught TTD at the bottom. You talking about TTD or PayPal?
TTD.
Oh yeah,
I saw you catch it at the bottom. I was like, damn, shit's wild.
Yeah. I mean, because that's the whole strategy, right? Like you find these oversold good companies in a bull market and you go for calls, and then you find overbought companies, and once they like retrace or get a nice little push up in a bear market, you go for puts.
Yeah.
I think the hardest part is the transition between a bull and a bear market, because like the market doesn't have a sign on its head. It's just like, hey, we're going into a bull market.
For sure, 100%. That's all. It's always the hardest part is the shift, right?
Yep.
The old shift-a-rooney.
Yeah. I mean, I don't know what I'm supposed to do with this.
Well, we can we can just exit stream. Honestly, there's nothing really to do. Sorry, guys. It's just been slow. We're both traveling this week. There's not really a lot to talk about or do. It's just like that's why I went aggressive with the open too. I got a haircut coming up, so we can just end the stream, bro. It's up to you.
Yeah, there's nothing for me here.
Yeah.
Like, look at this shit. It's going right back down.
Yeah, exactly. There's like literally nothing to do.
Yeah. All right. Well,
all right.
I'm gonna finish packing.
All right. Well, that's it, guys. We'll hang out with the boys and stuff. I don't know if we'll fuck around and stream and whatnot, but yeah. Thanks for hanging, guys. We appreciate you coming every morning, though. Things will get better. We'll have better conditions. Things will, lighten up. But for now, it is what it is. So,
and plus, we've been ripping the past like fucking 2 weeks type, like a week.
Yeah.
Like, we need this consolidation anyway. So
exactly. So, all right, guys.
All right.
Peace.